Hello, my name is Pasiwa and I'm going to present my project about the Brisbane Airport new parallel runway project. First, I'm going to give a brief introduction about the project. The Brisbane Airport Parallel Runway project is the major infrastructure project in Queensland. This is the most important insertion since the airport was construction in 1920, and the project timelines were from 2012 to 2015, but the project was successfully delivered in 2012. The main reason for these expansions was to increase the capacity of the Brisbane airport, which will lead to provision of labor, creation of employment. It will lead to the overall growth of Brisbane and Queensland at large. During this project, they experienced several challenges like the scope read, project evaluation, end user requirement, and timely delivery. We are going to talk with these challenges one by one. When we go to talk about the scope creep occurred due to frequent changes and happening from the stakeholder from now and then. For example, the stakeholders they say they want an increase of 3-kilometer runway, and then they introduce another 12 kilometers taxi runway, and then there was soil stabilization, which took almost 3 years because the climate and the soil condition of Queensland is not good. And then there was another which was introduced was airfield lighting. To prevent this properly, they need to be a setting of a clear scope definition, complete with comprehensive documented and strict changes control process. A recommendation of this challenge is to invest in a developing detailed project plan, conduct a frequent review with the stakeholders through communication. Another challenge is project evaluation process. The project evaluation process lack a clearly defined metrics, and the monitoring of the project were not consistent, which make it difficult to track the project daily and notice any issue that may arise. The solution to this problem was to establish a clear key performance indicators, evaluating criteria, and implementing regular monitoring and reporting system. So a recommendation to this problem is utilizing project management tools and providing a training for the project manager are essential for preventing further issues. Another problem was end user requirement. These projects were done in concurrent when the airport was still operating, and the end user requires was to increase the airport capacity, enhance efficiency, ensure safety, create employment, but they need to increase and advance letting and navigate the system of the airport. So there was not a frequent communication with the end user. So to solve these challenges, the project manager will need to ensure they engage the end user early and maintain continuous communication, but also to validate requirements through the prototype of the pilot test. Recommendation of this project: the project team should adopt a user-centered design approach that support the robust feedback mechanism. Another problem which was encountered is this project is like each and any other project for the timely delivery of the project. Initially, the project was to run from 2012 to 2015, but the project was delivered in 2020. The challenges, the project faced some challenges which interfere with the timely delivery, like there was lack of labor, frequent update from the stakeholders, poor communication with the end users, poor evaluation, which led the project to prolong for so long. The solution of this timely delivery was to ensure utilize project management software to develop a detailed project schedule which appropriately buffers the time delivery, and the recommendation of The recommendation of the project should establish consistent plan, ensuring flexible resources allocation through the planning and proactive risk management. Overall conclusion of the presentation of the project of the scope project evaluation in evaluation efficiency, end user requirement and timely delivery. The solution was to get a detailed planning, do a regular review, a clear scope determination, risk change control, and consistent communication and early engagement. The recommendation of this project is to proactive planning, continuous monitoring, and robust stakeholder engagement. Thank you.